Hey designers, welcome back to PX Mentor. Apple just released macOS version 26, and everyone's talking about the new liquid glass effect in their UI. In this short Figma tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to replicate this stunning glass look, fast and easy. Let's jump right in. Now hit T to create a text layer. Type in liquid glass. This will be our button label. We'll keep the font size at 16px for now. Next, let's turn this into a button using auto layout. Add padding, 14px left/right. Add a stroke to make the button visible. Then, apply a corner radius of 100 to give it that fully rounded shape. Now add a rectangle inside the auto layout frame using absolute positioning. Make it center. Place it beneath the text. This will become our frosted glass layer. Set its fill color to white and reduce opacity to 1%. Let's make the magic happen. Apply a background blur, set it to around 6. Add another effect, texture. Size 92. Radius 40. This starts to give us that dynamic, fluid-like distortion. Select the main auto layout frame and enable Clip Content. Now the background rectangle is confined inside the button. Already looks amazing. Now drag the button on the background. You can see that background blur and texture have been applied. Remove the stroke from the button. Add multiple inner shadows for shine. Set position 1:1. Blur 4. Color, white opacity, 64%. Add other inner shadows as well. Final touch. Select the white rectangle again and set its blending mode to plus lighter. Adjust opacity until it feels right. This lets you customize the glassiness to your liking. Copy the button and paste it onto a different background. Then drag it up, down, left, and right to see the liquid glass effect in action. Now duplicate the frame. Hit T and type the text. Select the white rectangle again, liquid glass button. Paste on the text. Select the both layer and use as mask. Set the white fill color to 32. Now set the texture again and adjust its value to 2 for the best result. Select the liquid glass button. Copy all the applied effects and paste them onto the text mask layer. Set multiple inner shadows for shine. You can remove the light gray inner shadow to refine the text effect. And set the opacity to 24%. Select the white rectangle again. Go to background blur and increase the blur from 6 to 12. Open the blending options and change plus lighter to any other blending mode that suits your design. That's it. Your stunning liquid glass text effect is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe to PX Mentor, and share your results in the comments. See you in the next design breakdown. Until then, keep designing smarter.